सर एक मिनट सर एक मिनट लाइट चालू करो
लाइट चालू
On your left.
सर एक मिनट
मैम इधर है बुलाओ क्या
आ गया बाबू
मैम
ये पार्टी ना कर रहा पार्टी मोड़ ले ना तुम निकाल तगड़े ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम
मैम बहुत अच्छी हो सॉरी आप ध्यान ही नहीं
राइट राइट राइट
लाइट
अरे यार लाइट तो ले
मैम यहाँ पे डिजाइन क्लोज थैंक यू
थैंक यू बाय प्रमोद भाई मफिन सर 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 इस तरफ सामने लीजिए सर सामने सर ऑलमोस्ट राइट हियर सर हियर Excuse me. Sir, yes. Excuse me. Coming back. Excuse me, ma'am.
वेट 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 मैम यहाँ पे थैंक यू
रहमान
निकल के रखना चाहिए
एक इधर आ जाना है
पांडे विनय
संदेश इधर आ तू निया जी इधर आ जाओ
चलने वाला कौन कौन सा है
रवि जल्दी
संतोष
वेट
भाई पीछे हो जा।
संजय तू इधर आना इस तरफ।
रुक जा भाई। नया जी यार भाई बैठ जा, रुक जा ये रुक जा। अरे साइड साइड अरे सब लोग उधर क्यों जा रहे? अरे वेट विजुअल रुक जाओ यार जरा। अरे विजुअल तो लेने दो मेरे भाइयों।
I also don't know what's going to be happening except the fact that when I say I don't know what's going to be happening, I don't know which girl is going to actually be taking any awards home tonight. Let's see, it's the semi-finale. There's going to be, sub-contests. There's going to be judging. Most importantly, there's going to be an unveiling of a crown, which, I mean, every head in there either wants to wear it or they want their one girl who's representing them on stage to wear it. It's a really big night tonight, and I think that this is probably the only and the last closed door event that will actually happen before the main crowning of the Miss India. And this year is huge. We are all mentors. I'm mentoring the North Zone. I'm hoping that, all in all, I just want to say may the best girl win, but more importantly, I'm hoping that a girl from the North wins because, I'm a little more biased towards that. But having said that, it's the Miss India title. So, whichever girl wins, as long as she represents the country and she does a good job of it, that's what matters.
Yeah, you're the judge, one of the main judges. So, do you enjoy doing this, or is it like a tough job?
No, I don't enjoy judging at all. This year, I feel like the only thing I've done is judge. I was on Roadies and I was judging there. I was on Chote Mia, which is a show of mine on Colors, and I was judging there. And I'm here on Miss India and I'm judging. It's really hard because, everybody is so good. The minute they come on stage, you know that they're on stage because they're really, really good at what they do. And I always feel that when they're there, it's about that night and that particular moment, if they shine or not. And we people are the last people to decide. But unfortunately, it's only our vote and our numbers that count and make a difference. So I want to make no mistakes whatsoever.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
वापस क्या वाइट देंगे वो समझ नहीं रहे तुम यार। मैम जस्ट अ सेकंड। बाय बाय गाइस, हट जा। आगे आगे
They want us back here.
Thank you.
She's participating. Beautiful, stunning.
Just 2 minutes and start. राइट में यहाँ पे ऑल ऑफ यू राइट ऑल ऑफ यू राइट
All of you right.
Thank you.
Okay, Valusha ji, हमें बताएं अंदर क्या हो रहा है and in what capacity you are going to be participating in this event, which our viewers want to know.
So I will be judging the girls tonight. Of course, the judges briefing will happen in a bit, but for the most part, I'm always looking for a girl with simplicity, something fresh that she has to offer, something unique.
Right. Any message that you want to give to the contestants, before they turn up for the contest?
Yeah, I think I just want to say that you need to have fun. These are the best days of your lives. Lap it up and just keep learning, because this is a great platform. It's going to open a lot of doors to you.
Right. Miss India के बारे में, if any words, kind words, because they're giving a platform to youngsters, to come
Yes.
out there and show their talent. So any words for Miss India?
Yes, I mean, Miss India was a stepping stone for me as well. In fact, Wendell was the one who discovered me and made sure that I got into the pageant. And the reason I'm here today is also, him. Of course, the Times of India gave me the grooming and the mentorship that has made me who I am today. So life seems to have come a full circle, but it was only after the pageant that doors opened, whether it was on the ramp, whether it was, in every industry. So it's really a place that you should take advantage of, because they look after you, they pamper you, and they guide you really well.
Right. How do you enjoy judging? Like, do you think it's a tough job or you have fun?
I do have fun. I think it's tougher being a contestant than being a judge, because I think you're really very nervous as a contestant. As a judge, we're very, very clear with what we need to look for and the girl that we want to represent the country.
Right. That's great.
Guys,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you so much.
क्या बज रहा है यार
Once again, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen.